guys, I just bought this Jeep, 1998 Jeep Cherokee. It's pretty nice color, white, just clean, nice white. But I wanna change the color a little bit, so I decided to go with digital snow white, which I think is gonna look sick. So we're gonna do the whole car complete, everything. And I'm driving right now to my boy's shop, foreign wrap. They're wrapping cars, so we decided to go for a little record, you know, to get it done in like no time. We'll see how that's gonna work. But yeah, digital snow white, it should look good. And I'm excited. Let's go do this. Okay guys, so that's the car being complete, all vinyl wrapped, 3M vinyl, digital snow white. That's why I kind of got it to the snow and to see how it looks on the snow. Yeah, so we got it done, the whole car, we got it done in 4 hours, 4 of us. It took us 4 hours. I think that's pretty good. But it was kind of easy because the car is all straight, so we didn't really have to stretch the vinyl. And we usually go like panel by panel, but this time we had to put one long piece on the side, so all the little squares kind of match, you know, because we put a long piece, like one long piece, if you know what I mean. Yeah, so kind of helped to do one full piece on the side. The car is dirty because before we got to the snow we went through dirt and raining, but when it's clean it looks better. So I'm happy for the difference it did to the car. I like it. Let me show you another one. Same vinyl wrap but different color. Yeah, I would like this one. Really nice. Yep. And the third one doesn't have vinyl wrap on him, so he's way behind. He can't even climb nowhere because no vinyl wrap. Right there. I guess he's gonna push it now. He just decided to save his life and run away. Whoa, 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 whoa. Never mind, I guess vinyl wrap doesn't really help. Alright, just kidding.